Hello friends, this is Avijit here. Welcome to my channel Crafting with Avijit. Today I will show you to make this easy origami box. At first, take a 20 cm square craft paper and fold it in half from all directions. Now unfold it and bring all the edges to the center as shown. Next, bring the sides to the middle crease as me. Now unfold the two opposite corners and fold again. At last, put the corners inside as me. Now this is ready. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.